Hi, so I welcome you all to the Hindov Bake House. We are a small in-house bakery which is located in Stokes Place, Kaushal Libas, near the CM's residence, which came up almost a year back. And we've been getting an overwhelming response from all the people around, especially for our different kind of breads which we are making.
For two glorious decades, I stood in classrooms as a chemistry teacher. Today, I stand before you as the heart behind the Hindlock Bakehouse. My love for cooking and bringing joy to people's lives led me to this culinary adventure at the age of 52. This bakehouse isn't just about food, it's about shared moments and stories.
The best part is that it's an in-house bakery and we keep proper maintenance of the hygiene in our kitchen. We're using RO water. We are using the best of products for our sourdough and croissant. We're making almost 24 kinds of breads. The breads which people, they do not get anywhere in Shimla, like focaccia, sourdough. And we're giving you both options, eggless as well as with egg. And recently we've also started with cakes in jars, small puddings, like we are doing mango cheesecakes in jars. We are doing coffee mocha, and we're doing a lot of new fresh things for all the clients in Shimla. So I hope you like the product, and you can directly contact us at 9816099958. We are not giving home deliveries, sorry for that, because in Shimla to give home deliveries is really, really difficult. But we have certain pickup points, like you can go to the Dobby's store and you can pick up your fresh breads from there. You can collect it from Marina, you can collect it from Chota Shimla. So these are the places where we can deliver. We can also deliver till Navbahar, Chowk and Sanjoli if your order is above 1000.